Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a riveting political showdown that's unfolding in Zimbabwe within the ruling party ZANU PF. So, buckle up because this story combines power, intrigue, and a family caught right at the center of it all. Chris Mutsvangwa, a significant figure known for his role in the toppling of Mugabe, is reportedly taking a stand against attempts to extend President Mnangagwa's term through the Forever Associate Zimbabwe, or FAZ restructure. Now, why does this matter? Well, Chris isn't just any political figure. He is the father of Neville Mutsvangwa, who has recently made headlines for all the wrong reasons. Neville, caught in a storm of legal troubles, is accused of illegal money transactions and operating an unsanctioned Starlink satellite radio signal. This isn't just small-time news. It's a big deal because of the allegations that these activities were all part of a larger scheme to operate without a license, potentially laundering money through foreign bank accounts. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Chris Mutsvangwa, while being a staunch supporter of Mnangagwa initially, seems to be pulling back. His son's arrest? Some say it's politically motivated, a way to weaken Chris's influence as he shows resistance to Mnangagwa's extended leadership aspirations. What we are seeing might just be a critical juncture for ZANU PF, a party that has been at the helm of Zimbabwean politics since the country was renamed after gaining independence in 1980. With Mnangagwa's recent re-election amidst controversies and allegations of electoral fraud, and with Chris Mutsvangwa's powerful voice in the mix, the dynamics within ZANU PF are anything but straightforward. This clash of titans, the elder Mutsvangwa against the backdrop of Mnangagwa's ambitions, could shape the future of governance in Zimbabwe. It's a story of power, legacy, and how political battles are often more than what meets the eye. So, what do you think? Is Neville's arrest merely a legal issue, or is there more to the story in the context of ZANU PF's internal power struggles? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of politics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.